Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Duo. First open your browser, then search for duo.google.com. This type of interface will be visible in your screen. You can search contact by typing the number here. You can start call by click on start a call option. You can now put your number or email for a video call here. You can also create a group link by click on group link, and you can share your group by click on share. You will find three dot icon. If you click it, you can rename your group name here and give it demo. You will find add people option, reset group link. You can also leave the group. Here you can copy the group link and you can share it with others. You can email your group link by click on email link option. You can add people by click on add people. You can also start a call by click on start a call. You will find setting icon here. If you click it, you can see your account information here. You can turn off or on knock option. You can save message. You can select source of your audio and video. You can block a user by click on it. You can see your call log. You can also get the app by click on this Google Pay or App Store option. You can see terms of service and privacy policy by click on this link. And this is all about Google Duo. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.